No, you're making it worse.
Big crack right there.
That little Mod 3 video he made though.
YouTube! We are finally. Yo! The wheel's still off a little bit. In the back. See that thing? The toe's off.
It's a little toed in.
Toes out. In. Anyway. I told you guys. No way was it capable to run the kit with the 15s on the equipped, even though that looked so good. So I told you we have to do the 5-lug swap, which was the last video on the C33, so we could end up doing this. Now I have this kit for like 6 months already, just sitting, waiting for the perfect time. We're gonna test fit, and I'm not a test fit guy, so once we put it on, it's staying on until it's getting painted. We're gonna end up color matching it for now. Yeah, it's gonna look good, you guys. Yeah. Yeah. So, Dior said we're gonna zip tie it on. I don't know how.
The side skirts.
Oh, now just side skirts?
Not the front bumper, not the front bumper. Side skirts though, definitely zip tie.
But look at this, there's like, hold up. There's just so much tension. Like.
Your side good?
There's so much tension.
And I'm trying to tell Jay, that's how it's supposed to be. It's a fiberglass kit.
Also does have a crack right here. It's starting to crack right here. But that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna get all that fixed. Those just not the screws I want to use. No, those are like fucking like hardwood screws.
We can make
those
it
are shit
work.
that niggas be clowning you about.
Hey, niggas ain't gonna see them. It's perfect.
No, we're not using those. Yo.
Just for these, Jay. For the side ones, I think that would be perfect.
Bro, we could make a run to the store.
Alright, let's go make a run to the store then.
What are you looking for?
There. No. It's...
These are bolts. I gotta buy the whole kit?
And nuts and bolts.
It's nuts and dick. Yeah.
What is it? Go ahead and swipe the cards.
What about for the skirts?
For the skirts, where do they sell zip ties here?
Zip ties is crazy.
Brother.
So
Do they come with the lights, or like, what are you gonna do with those holes?
these?
Oh shit.
I need to find clears. Like I found these clears, but I don't want to buy those clears until I find those clears.
But for now, it'll look good. Yeah. Hell yeah, what the fuck, nigga?
It's good, it's good.
Do they plug in too?
Yeah.
Alright, so side skirts, I already came to a general consensus, we're gonna have to cut some of this off.
Okay, you want to skip the side skirts and go to the rear bumper?
Yeah, skip side, we'll do those last, because those are gonna be the hardest to put on. Good fucking question.
I don't think that's how it's done. So I took off those. There's 3 on the side right here. There's 3 on the side right here.
You pop the trunk too, make sure there's none.
I didn't see anything when I popped the trunk. And coming up with a year ownership, I haven't even been that deep into the trunk that I really need to clean this shit out. This shit looks horrendous. But it came with freaking tire chocks. Nissan OEM tire chocks. That's
pretty fucking cool.
That's sick. I feel like I want to use them. Those look like 10s or 12s.
10s or 12s?
But 3 bolts right here in the trunk. This car is so weird. 3 bolts on this side behind this. That holds the side of the bumper on. Damn, you brought out the big guy for this shit? Small ones right here.
No, but that's
Man.
it's only for...
Huh.
Good morning. There we go. Let's go over there with the over bumper.
Looking at the rear of the Laurel, it looks like the rear bumper doesn't want to fit with the crash bar on. So we're sitting here trying to establish how to take off the rear bash bar. It looks like it's freaking welded on. So do we really need to take it off? Do we need to trim it? What do we do? So we came to a realization that we can use it. We gotta trim it a little bit with the fake Milwaukee. Okay.
Type of shit.
Hey. Also gonna have to cut a hole for this right here. You don't want to do that with the angle. So why'd you do that again?
It's not gonna bend that much down.
It was bending, bro.
Listen, bro, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
You're absolutely terrible. Why are you like...
Thank me later.
You're the one that ruined my shit, dude. I can't believe it. Your mark?
Yeah. No, leave it up so it can go right through. We haven't cut it yet, remember?
Look, bro, still doesn't fit, bro.
How does it not fit?
Look, bro, it's not fitting, bro.
What's sitting now? Oh my god, I have to cut more.
So it was never gonna work?
Oh no, like it was never gonna work bending it. I had to cut it regardless. I just sped up the process. I didn't give you time to like have remorse and shit, you feel me? I just went straight to it.
L. This used to be a tow hook.
Not a tow hook anymore.
It used to be a tow hook. So you guys, this is where we are. So for right now, we're just gonna zip tie the rear bumper on. I'm going to have to put some type of like bumper clips like what I use on the Civic right here in the middle so we get good fitment. Coming around, we had to trim the whole inside of area right here. We're still gonna have to actually trim more so my plate could go down so you can see the plate, but that's later on stuff. We're over here. This bumper does have a crack right there. It's from shipping. We're taking out the little bumper grommet that holds the bumper in. Now you guys, that bumper clip that I told you I'm gonna have to end up using like right here in the middle of the bumper. On the original bumper clip and guard, basically, it was held onto these three holes right here. So I can easily just put one of those little bumper releases from eBay or Amazon on right there in the middle to get perfect fitment. But damn, you guys, these freaking fiberglass kits, they're no joke. Fiberglass kit right now is like one on us.
I was still blinking like that too. Fire. Sparking. We're cutting fiberglass. Why is it sparking?
Blade's down.
Nah, the blade's hitting this thing. Shield. You see Elena what I'm talking about? See? It won't let the side skirt go any further. And look how much more it has to go in on this side. I see it from right. No, that's too much.
Back to the cutting board.
Nah, even that. Never mind. It's not in all the way. So for this part, we're gonna cut 2 holes here and here. We need a self tapper, but we need to jack it up, take the wheel off. We can do that one with the wheel on, but this wheel needs to come off. Yeah. Alright, right there.
Bitch ass. Oh, not you guys. I hope your tool bag doesn't look like this. Where's my 19? I was actually scraping my fuel neck. So does that mean like I need a fuel neck relocation, or like what are we doing? Shit. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna let it ride. Get up in here, get up in here, get up in here, get up in here. Don't hit my finger! Scoot over! Oh, look at that thing shake.
Wait, no. Look at the bottom.
What I told you. Come on, it's gonna be perfect. Cause then it's gonna go straight through. Then we have the pilot hole. Come on.
Change them out.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn my hat sideways. This shit getting under control out here. Come
on. Go
on.
ahead there, fam.
Niggas are annoying.
Hey, this shit snaps. Don't get mad at me.
Well, apply low pressure.
Watch your hand.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that working. Okay, you're going too fast. You're going too fast for it. Apply a little bit more pressure. You're bending it. Go straight. Yeah. You see how smooth that was? Now you guys can find this bit at Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and Advanced Auto Parts. What happened?
This is fucking.
It worked.
I felt embarrassed using it. This is J-Boy Spec, by the way, guys.
I did not say we're using these bolts. We got to do something better in the future. Oh my God! Pull it out! I don't know, we're ready now.
Nah, I know what we're gonna do. It was cracking. Where's the big drill bit again? Not this fucking puny fucking
That's the
syringe.
size of your fucking dick.
Hey, yo!
It's a syringe, brother. Elena, don't snitch on me. That was practicing. Why do you not have a door panel on this door?
I've been trying to figure out how to make the window go down.
Give me zip ties.
What the fuck?
Go grab them.
Bro, put the shit in you were just doing.
Yeah, but it just went. The side screw went all the way in now, and now they don't match up with the old hose that I made. But they went in more.
Go to fucking hell. Running out of zip ties, you know what we didn't pick up?
You didn't want to bother them. Bang it in from the middle, like, you know?
Here, that's hitting the door because it looks short. So usually that should actually be in this line gap, but the kit's not perfect, so.
What's happening?
What?
Does it fit?
No.
Oh, this is sitting right here, see? It's not letting it go in any further.
That's what I was trying to say.
Syringe didn't make it.
You got scared there? You guys have got work in the morning. I ain't eat shit since like 11 a.m.
Yeah, I haven't had any food except cheeses.
I supplied him the cheese nuts. We all want to see this done. This gap right here is crazy. The fuck this shit. We're gonna work on that. Alright.
Zip ties and screws up front.
For now. total different car now. Cameraman, take over. Immaculate. No, I'm just kidding. But it looks good. It's getting closer to what I envisioned for this from the day, even the days before I had it. Take a better look at it tomorrow when the sun's out and everything. Maybe take it on a little cruise to somewhere. I love it. So we're back. It's a new day, you guys. We installed the kit. You've seen that. I just want to talk about it a little bit, show you guys what's up. I just want to remind you guys, I do this for me, but I also do this for you guys. I'm out here pushing this shit. When I say I'm pushing this shit, me, the camera girl, and me. Is that nigga shitting on the sidewalk? What the fuck? I got 2 lugs, son. 2 lugs. The shit my girl ass, is that safe? Hell nah, baby girl. But yeah. Let me show you guys what's up with this. This is the dream car. Hear that? Ain't much to be heard. YouTube. I love you guys. Did I ever tell you guys that? My 1992 C33 Nissan Laurel built. I got goosebumps. I love this shit so much. I had this Uras body kit for probably like 6 months since July, dude. But when you have a vision, you stand on your vision. And I was running the 15 equips, sick. The way I foreseen this car was kit, 18s, fitted. We're still working on that. It's step by step. Some of us got a 9 to 5. But this is my Uras body kit. I just want to show you guys it's full fiberglass. Fiberglass is not fun, you guys, at all. You guys seen, I had a whole day of fucking cutting and trimming. Me and Dior, we made it fit. It needs some body work. The body kit did come with a couple cracks. Front bumper has a crack, rear bumper has a crack. Side skirts actually have no cracks. Rear bumper fitment, kind of walky, but I'm not even worried about that. I did raise the car a little bit from the 15s, but not much difference. It's crazy how the 18s just fit right on with like no rubbing or anything. 17s in the front, we're doing that for right now. That's not forever. jboy_JLC on Instagram if you want to buy these G33s, 17x9 plus 15. I'll take 450, 400 if you said you saw my video. Big plans coming for this summer, you guys. This summer, please stick with me. I'm gonna make this your favorite Laurel. I'm actually so stoked. This is one of the things I wanted to do since I got the car, but you can't just jump the gun and do things. I would have had a whole kit on stock wheels. Nah, dude. That's gonna look fugazi. I can't do that. It's weird. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, subscribe, comment, send it to your mom, send it to your uncle, send it to your papa. Thank you guys.